NewHomeSource is at the International Builders Show, hunting down trends and looking for relatable and useful innovations. We stopped by the Elica booth because we heard that their kitchen products feature some really practical updates. Here's an example that home cooks can get behind. The Leone is a chimney hood style and has been updated with recessed controls and LED lights, so no more burns from halogen lights. Home cooks frequently forget to turn on their hoods, accidentally setting off smoke detectors in the kitchen. Elica's Stony Hood has smart technology that solves this problem because it automatically turns ventilation on when paired with an Elica cooktop. Manufacturers and designers are thinking more and more about the experiences people have with their products. If you're building a new home and looking at appliances for all parts of the house, that means you're choosing from a new crop of appliances that resolve a host of inconveniences. Sometimes it's not the products that are changing for our convenience. It's the way they're placed and how they're used in the house that make life a little more comfortable. During the show, NewHomeSource toured the New American Home, the official show home of the event and one of the most influential show homes in the nation, in Montverde, Florida. Almost every room in the house incorporates elements that boost comfort and convenience big time. We weren't surprised to see a warming drawer in the New American Home's kitchen, but the warming drawer in the master bathroom for towels took it to a whole new level.